What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, Shiba Inu is actually rushing all the way up here to this next resistance of 800. And yeah, we broke the previous resistance. And yes, I'm going to say it. I predicted it. I predicted all of this. But anyways, look, I seen this ascending triangle and it went up all the way up here. And I knew it was going to have a little breakout. So that's where I draw these lines like yesterday. And actually a few days before this, I drew these lines. I knew something was going to happen here. But yeah, the next prediction here will be the 800 resistance line. Now, it does look like we may actually end up retracing back down, before that happens. But yeah, before I keep going with this, please hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next, because I have a lot of stuff to go over. So yeah, let me know what you want me to go over next, and check out the links in the description. Free stocks with Robinhood, weebulpublic.com, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Spotify Music, Apple Music, all that good stuff. And yeah, check out my BeatStars website if you guys want beats for your music, or maybe you just need beats for your background music for your YouTube videos. But yeah, let's get on with this video with Shiba Inu. So I do want to talk about something here with Shiba Inu. As you can see right here, it looks like we may be actually retracing back down to the support line before we test this resistance up here. And I say this because you can see, we kind of topped out here, and it looks like we're starting to top out here. We're starting to get some selling. So this selling might just start overtaking us and sending us back down to the previous trend line, which is now our support line. So that will be now our support line. Even though it was previously our resistance, it will be our support at 750 if we cannot break this 800 line right now. So let me go over here and show the candlesticks so you can see yourself that we are actually having some sell orders going on here. So yeah, let's I keep drawing this little line here. All right, let's scroll in here and scroll in all the way here. Yeah, so you can see there is some selling coming here. This red candlestick is actually bigger than these green ones, so it shows that we might have some bigger selling coming in, like inside the near future, as in like maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes from now, as the nearest future. So yeah, we might see a little bit more selling here, and we may have to retest this support line before we actually go ahead and test this resistance. But anyways, let's go over to not the financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advisor. I forgot to say that. I say that before every video. But anyways, let's go over this technical analysis with Shiba Inu. So yeah, Shiba price forecast. Shiba Inu could rally to 0.000009. That is really big right there. So Shiba Inu is definitely bullish in my personal opinion, but I'm going to go over all that today. So let's do this. Shiba Inu price slides sideways out of extremely constricted trade consolidations. So Shiba Inu is currently testing a move above the daily Tenkan Sen and Kinju Sen. A breakout above the 0.000077 could generate a 25% plus gain. Now we are almost actually above there. All we got to do is get above there again, because we broke out above the 7.7, or not above, but right at the 7.7 area, and then we got rejected. So right now it seems like we're kind of getting rejected again. You can see some of the sell orders actually forming up here. So let's go back over here to the candles. You can see some selling is forming up, but we may just start being overtaken by some buy orders. You never know with this type of stuff. But yeah, let's go over this. So Shiba Inu price has made some positive gains, and as you can see, the Tenkan Sen for the first time since September 19th, and it tested the Kinju Sen. So yeah, that was big. Shiba Inu price moves higher to test key resistance at 7.7, just like we've seen back here. We got rejected at the 7.7 area. Now, Shiba Inu price has several conditions. It must complete to initiate a breakout towards the new significant highs. First, it needs to close above the Tenkan Sen of the 7.4 area. Next, it will need to close above the 77 area, which are three critical resistance levels. A prior uptrend angle, Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B, a close above those resistance zones could propel us towards the 0.000009 area. So we have some huge potential here with Shiba Inu. We just have a lot of different areas that we have to break, a lot of different areas of resistance. So yeah, let's scroll out here a little bit so we can see. Now the 9 area, that would be all the way up here. So somewhere around here in this area, right here in the middle, we would have that next resistance if we actually go up by 25%. But first, we need to actually break 800 before we know whether or not we're going to actually do that. So the RSI and the composite index show favorable conditions to any bullish breakout, having significant and sustainable momentum. So the RSI index has flattened out considerably, while most importantly, the composite index has crossed above both its moving averages and near the zero line. And you can kind of see what they're saying over here. So let's go back here and look at this. Now, Oh, wrong thing. Let's back out. All right, so the current step on the daily candlestick chart for the Doge, you know what? Shiba Inu price is very tricky to forecast. So the overall threat remains to the downside, but the current setup could very easily and very quickly turn bullish. And that's actually what I was saying here previously. Like we could very easily go bullish here with Shiba Inu. All we need is more support and more momentum from the broader crypto market. You know, like I said, we are having selling coming through because look at these candlesticks. I mean, the selling is definitely coming through. We're getting some big red candlesticks here. So it might be, possible that we actually retest the support line at 750. You never know. It definitely seems like it's about to retest 750 here. But if we do, that will definitely help us build more momentum up to get way past the 800 area and then eventually up to the 900. So that's what we're looking for here with Shiba Inu. So yeah, anyways, as you can see here, we could quickly turn bullish or it could quickly be invalidated if we go below the support line. So we don't want to go below the 750 support. If we go below the 750 support, then we could invalidate this whole bullish thesis. So anyways, next thing with Shiba Inu, let's go over our next forecast here with Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu price retraces as Shiba Bulls plan 22% exit. So Shiba Inu rose 10% over the past 3 days to the 768 resistance. So the current retracement is likely to be followed by an 18% exit to the 835 area. So that is way up here where we have this resistance line. The 835 area will be way up here. Now it does seem like we are going to retest this. Like I said earlier, we're definitely going to have to retest this support line, and it's actually doing this real time. So it's good that that happens. So just for example, so yeah, it's definitely going to go down here and retest this support line at 750. Now, if we do go below 750, that is going to be bearish territory, not bullish, but bearish. Yeah, in some cases, Shib might retrace to the support area ranging from 625 and 654. And yeah, like I said, like if we go below 750, then yeah, 625s and 654 is definitely possible, but it wouldn't just be instant. Like we would end up going below the 750 support and end up down to the 705 support, but it would never be instant to the point where we go straight down to 625, 654. Shiba Inu doesn't really do that type of stuff. Now, Shiba Inu price has narrowed its consolidation within a bigger range over the past few days. However, the overall trend appears to be bullish due to the formation of consecutive higher lows. So yeah, consecutive higher lows. And let me actually go over here to the line view so we can see this. What they mean by consecutive higher lows. Look, when we were consolidating inside of this ascending triangle, this is a higher low. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. This is a higher low, and so on. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. It's almost like it's on a uptrend. And actually it is on an uptrend. But it's almost like it just went straight up there. So yeah, higher lows all the way. So Shiba Inu price faces a momentary blockade. So the Shiba Inu price rose roughly 10%, since September 28th as it encountered the 768 support level. So the bulls failed to breach this resistance level and are currently leaning to the start of a retracement. So yeah, we did fail to get above there, but yeah, we are retracing down to the 750 support right here. But if we can end up building momentum after we retrace, this is definitely something possible that could happen. And the reason why I say this is because we want to look at the overall broader crypto market. Everything's doing pretty well here. I like looking at the crypto bubbles view just because it looks cool. But anyways, you can see everything inside crypto is doing good. Like Axis 73%. We got all these different cryptos up huge right now. We got Bitcoin up huge, got Dogecoin over here at 7.5%. So, everything's moving pretty big right now. You got Bitcoin doing some big numbers, Ethereum doing good numbers too. So, as long as we keep getting support from the overall crypto market, we're going to do good here. So, that's all you got to really look at is the overall crypto market, because as long as we keep getting that support, we'll do fairly well. So, if the overall market, just like I said, structure flips bullish like yesterday, investors can expect Shiba Inu price to slice through the barrier and continue heading higher. While this is an optimistic scenario, a likely outcome would be a pullback to 684. So the correction gives the buyers a chance to recuperate and restart the uptrend. That's what I'm saying. Like we have to kind of come back here, pull back just a little bit just so we can retest our support and build that momentum to get back up. Incentivize these buyers to throw money into Shiba Inu. That's what we got to do here. Now, this correction gives the buyers a chance to recuperate and restart the uptrend. Assuming the bulls make a comeback, market participants can expect Shib to slice through the 0.0000076 area and make a run at 835. So this move would constitute a 22% exit. And here is what they're talking about here. So right here, as you can see, is the 835 resistance that we have to do. But right here, you can actually see where they say that we have to retest our previous support. So we got rejected at 768, and now we're coming back down to 750 to retest that support. And then we'll build that momentum up to get right back up here and break to 768, eventually breaking out to 835. So this is definitely a really good technical analysis. That's why I really like FX Street. So shout out to FX Street for this. They always do some very good technical analysis. So yeah, shout out to them and Akash Math. I think that's how you say his name. But anyways, over here you can see on the other hand, if Shiba Inu fails to hold above the 684 level, it will lead to 654 and then eventually 625 and eventually 625 to 549 if it can't hold above those levels. So yeah, we definitely have a lot going on in Shiba Inu, and like everyone has the same technical analysis. So even this over here in Newsroom Post, they say Shiba Inu's price grew, 768. We got rejected there at that level at 768. We got rejected there. And then eventually, if we keep getting rejected, eventually we'll lead to 654 or 625, just like the other one said. But if we can actually rise above that, we'll end up getting to the 9 area. So yeah, everyone's technical analysis is on point here. So shout out to all that. Anyways, over here, you can see Shiba Inu up 3.3% in the last 24 hours, 4.8% in the last 7 days. And then we also got some good stuff formulating here. It looks like we're on a big uptrend here with Shiba Inu. So we definitely have some potential to continue to rise inside Shiba Inu. Now, I want to talk about the holders. We have 674,000 holders, and we actually have some new whales, huge whales that just got gotten. So right now, this is 674,054 holders. Yesterday, we had 673,336 holders. But yeah, since today we have 674,054, we hit that refresh button, 674,101. So a bunch of people just now invested in the Shiba Inu within inside the last 10 minutes of us doing this video. So yeah, that's pretty good news there. But this is actually what I really want to talk about right now. So Shiba Inu whale, who purchased 6 trillion coins, buys another 276 billion within hours. Now I want you to see how significant this is. So 6 trillion. Right here, this is 6 million, this is 6 billion, this is 6 trillion. 6 trillion times the current Shiba Inu price, which is 764, would bring us all the way up to $45.8 million. So yeah, a $45.8 million purchase was just now bought, and then they came in and bought 276 billion after that within hours. So this is a lot of money right here, like a huge purchase from Shiba Inu whales. Someone says it's probably Coinbase. I don't know about that because they already have a lot. Someone else says, I have a feeling that it's not Robinhood. But then everyone else says, no, it could be Robinhood. They're filling their bags before listing Shib and taking an entry position. This is definitely what I believe to be happening. I definitely believe Robinhood is buying up Shiba Inu right now. So shout out to everyone who made it this far inside of the video. But anyways, Shiba Inu, Robinhood. Let's do that. Shiba Inu, Robinhood, and then go over here to the change.org. We have so many different people invested into Shiba Inu. And look at this. 191,000 people signed the petition. If we can get everyone who holds Shiba Inu to sign this petition, they will have to list it to Robinhood. Like when it got listed to Webull, there was way less people who signed the petition. There was only like 30,000 people who signed the Webull petition. But Robinhood, 191,000. This is going to happen for sure. If it doesn't happen, then Robinhood is messing up. But look, Robinhood just now did recurring payments for crypto. They're doing different stuff for crypto by the second. They're about to do wallets for crypto. So who's to say that the next thing would be, Shiba Inu? I definitely think that'll happen. But anyways, a lot of people are definitely really bullish on this. Probably Robinhood so they can pump and lock the sell buttons when it moons. It might happen like that. But still, it'll still be a good thing for Shiba Inu if we get Robinhood on the Shiba Inu wave. And anyways, this could definitely happen really soon. So I want to show you all of the actual whale wallet. So anyways, over here you can see it's $43.8 million. I already did the math there. And then they also bought a bunch of more sheeps. But I just want to show you the actual sheeps. And even this article here says that the latest moves could be by Robinhood. Like literally, this could be Robinhood. Like this is huge. They're going to accumulate over time like they do. They always do this. They accumulate over time. They did the same thing with Dogecoin. They accumulated Dogecoin over time. So this is the actual wallet. If you guys want to look it up, this is the address for the wallet. So you can definitely look it up if you want. But yeah, this wallet is buying a lot of Shiba Inu. This is huge right now. So yeah, definitely check it out. Big stuff is formulating inside Shiba Inu. There is big stuff going on. So yeah, definitely check it out. It's only these 4 right here. These other things up here where you see the cells and stuff, that's not the wallet. That's just some other stuff. But anyways, big stuff formulating Shiba Inu. Definitely check it out. But yeah, let's go over to this next thing. The Shiba Inu NFT news. Shiba Inu NFT card collection just now arrived to OpenSea. So this is huge. This is really big stuff right here. So it has been an exciting ride leading up to the weekend for nearly all cryptocurrency markets. And now we have these NFTs for Shiba Inu. This is about to be some big stuff. So Shiba Inu has arrived with their NFTs on OpenSea. It is lovely to see the community members helping themselves by creating non-fungible tokens for their favorite cryptocurrency. So this is actually people making it. It's not the actual Shib developers, it's the Shibarmy people. So of course, in some cases, that process will work better than others. For Shiba Inu, there is now a crypto card, the Shiba NFT card collection on OpenSea with 25 total cards. So yeah, people are doing this. Really big stuff right here. $68 per card. This is a lot of money. Shiba Inu collection was sold 2 times in the last 7 days, totaling $136 and an average of $68 per card. So people are making money out there, making Shiba Inu cards out there. So this is actually pretty cool over here. So definitely check this out. I don't know if you guys actually use OpenSeas or anything like that. Let me know if y'all are interested inside NFTs. I'll make some NFTs videos and definitely do some reviews on some NFTs if you guys want me to, and some pre-sales. So definitely wait on that. Got some big stuff coming inside of the future. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And yeah, if you do like the video, though, hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.